To ensure the best cleaning experience, Pacvac offers an extensive range of accessories. The combination floor tool can be used on both carpeted and hard floor surfaces. The user can switch between settings to either raise or lower the nylon bristles as needed. The hard surface floor tool is best used to vacuum dust and debris from tiled, concrete and floorboard surfaces. Fine nylon bristles gently sweep and collect stubborn dust and dirt from the floor surface before being sucked into the machine. The turbo head floor tool is a light, non-powered unit. It utilizes the suction and airflow of the vacuum cleaner to spin the bristles and lift stubborn dirt and debris for a deeper clean on carpets. The washable microfiber dusting attachment fits the all-purpose floor tool and is great for picking up fine dust particles, suitable for polished surfaces to avoid scratching. The dual-purpose wing brush easily connects to the end of the wand and is great for getting to those hard-to-reach areas. Simply pull out the wings to access the hard floor surfaces tool and reverse to utilize the dusting brush, perfect for cleaning blinds, curtains, air vents and other small areas. The flexible crevice tool is 64 centimeters long with extra length to get into those hard-to-reach and awkward spots. Ideal for cleaning between furniture, car interiors and other difficult spaces. The wand tool holder clips onto the wand, allowing the user to conveniently carry up to 3 tools for easy access. The wall-mounted wand holder is a great accessory for convenient wand storage. The telescopic wand allows users to extend and retract to suit varying operator heights and applications.